Hello everyone, today we are going to be doing the tables and the forms in HTML. Now I am in Notepad and I am in Notepad and we first things first, we are going to be making a form. Yup boys, indirectly a website or you call it like a form. You must have seen forms everywhere now. Actually, so we are going to be making one of these table forms, and this is going to be a very interesting video, so make sure you watch till the end, and this is going to be extremely good. So let's get started. So first things first, let's start with our HTML. We will always need to start with HTML start, and we'll also need to write head. This all you need to write. If you want to write a title, yes you can. Let's write online form. I will show you the results in the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end. So now after this, let's write the body tag. Body with the BG color as let's write it down as cyan. It might look good. We'll need to check. So we've written that a cyan, or else I can even put it as light green. Let me just save this file real quick, and then we'll be back. Alright, so I have just opened this. This looks really good. I know you can't see it right now, but it looks very good. So now the BG color is done. The BG color is set. And now we just need to do this. Let's write the code now. So now we will also need to put the form tag, because we are making the form right now, and to make a form we will need to use a form tag. So there it is. Now we are making a text box. So this is the code for the text box. Listen carefully. So let's write our name, and we will also put as input. So what is the input? It's type. Type equals to text. Wait. So the input type needs to get text, and its name we'll put it as the first because it's the first name. Let's put it first name. This is like kind of like a survey, online survey. And we'll also write a couple of BR tags to give it some spacing, and we'll also do the center alignment. So its name is first, and its size, let's give size 19, and of course there should be a maximum length, and the maximum length over here will be 18, and the value, I don't need any value, so a value, let's put it as empty, as we don't need a value right now, but still we might need it later. We'll also give it a BR tag in the end. Very nice. So now how do you want to open this thing? Over here you see the file. Click it. Then save as, and then it will be like form, and then there will be like a star and .txt. Then remove that txt. There might be any other name. Remove that txt and then star. Then put form dot html, and down it will be save as type. If you are using Notepad++, write HTML or hypertext markup language file, or if you're using your normal you know notepad, you do it as all files, and then yeah, it's done. And then you go to your file explorer, double click your you know file, it might open. Or if it's not opening, right click your file, open with, and then do it as uh, you know Google or Firefox or Microsoft Edge. In this case I'm using Microsoft Edge. So the value, what if you add a value, like let's write name. Let's see, if we add a value, there will already be a name added. So yeah, if you want to add a default name, you can of course do that. So let's change our value, and over here I want to write Bryce. So now it's writing Bryce. If you want the center alignment, you can of course, I'm giving it a bit of spacing over here. So yeah, now you can go for the center alignment. Now it's centered. Now you want to put your last name. How do you put your last name? We are going to check it right now. So we've done the first name, now we need to do the last name. Yeah, this looks odd, but yeah, it looks good. So after this BR tag, we are going to copy this entirely. Control C, Control V. And instead of first name, we are going to write the last name. And protect text. We'll put the name as last, and we'll put the value as I don't know, Walker. So Bryce Walker. And we'll also, I don't know, this BR tag is working or not. Let me add it up again. Okay, so we have officially set that. I am going to remove this because it looks odd. So yeah, first name Bryce, second name Walker. If you want the value as none, you can do that. If you want to change your value, you can do that as well. So we are doing pretty good. And of course, we will also need to end with a /html, then also with the /head and the /body, and of course /form. But you can't like write it like this, so we are going to do Control X. HTML should be the last one. So yeah, here you go. Okay, so we have done this. Now we will continue, and we'll add like a checkbox. What is a checkbox? Checkbox is like example, which electronics do you use? Laptop, a mobile, Apple, or Android, or anything like that. And you can check multiple at once. So yeah, that's a checkbox. Now we are going to make a checkbox exactly how I described you. We're going to write BR tags to give it spacing. So over here we'll need to write, we'll it's almost the same but as first name. So let's copy this and let's paste this. So just like one or two differences. So over here you don't need to put input first name. So we'll remove this input type. Instead of text, we are going to write as checkbox, and The name, I don't know, name parts. Okay, parts is a good name. So name will be parts. It's not compulsory, you can write any name. And the value, what value should I write? We'll remove this as well as this because this is not of use. So value we are going to be writing as computer. So our value is computer, and we'll automatically, if you want to check it, let's write checked. And yeah, then you just need to write PC and oh wait, this is not, yeah, PC, and we also need to write a BR tag. So yeah, so we have done that. Now let's check it out. Yep, it is looking very good. And instead of PC, let's like computer. Now it's written computer. And I think I'll add a bold tag over here to make it bold. We'll also write which H H3 maybe, which electronics do you use? And we'll write and we'll do B and I. I for italic, B for bold, and we'll also do over here slash B and slash I. So yeah, let's write slash B over here. Let's write BR. Let's write another BR. And we'll also use this behind, not front. So let's put this in the center. Which electronics do you use? Let's write another BR. Another BR, and we'll remove these two BRs. Here you go. Which electronics do you use? I use a computer. And yeah, it might be going too fast for you. You might repeat. And this looks too big of a font, computer. So we are going to be writing this as H4 slash H4. Oh. Okay, so now this looks really nice. Instead of that, we are also going to be writing the italic. Okay, very nice, very good. For first name, we write in H1 online survey slash H1, and we are also going to be putting this before so that this looks in the center as well. Now this online survey will also add the italic slash I, and what else? Yup, bold. It just makes the website look better. So we are going to be doing slash B. So here it is, online survey. Let's put one BR before. Okay, so Online survey. First name Bryce. Last name Walker. Which electronics do you use? Computer. So yeah, uh, this looks very good now. So instead of this, now let's write, copy this. Oh wait, I need to copy this as well. Okay, copy this and we'll do this, and over here let's write parts 2. Instead of this, we'll use Apple 4, or Apple. No, I know most of you know Apple, but let's write phone to make it simpler, and we'll write this as unchecked, and instead of computer we will write the value, the name as phone, and this is unchecked. We will also write the BR tag, which gives us spacing, and before the checkbox we are going to be using this. Okay, so you can tick mark, untick mark. Yeah, looks very nice now. Now we have done that as well. If you want to add another example, you like tablets. So we are also going to be adding a tablet. Here you go. VR. Let's write the value as tablet. So the value as tablet and tablet. So this is parts 3. We will also let's do unchecked over here. So okay, computer, phone, tablet. I want to do checked over here. So okay, checked. So computer, phone, tablet, and oh, okay. So we will also add one last one, which is laptop. So I know you understood, but to make this more formal, many people use laptop. I'm using laptop right now. So let's write laptop over here. Part 4 laptop. Okay, so computer checked, phone unchecked, tablet checked, laptop unchecked. Let's do unchecked. So, oh, yeah. Computer checked, phone unchecked, tablet checked, laptop checked. So you can even do all 4, or you can do neither. You can do computer or phone, computer or laptop. Now let's move on with the next. We're doing pretty well now. So we are going to be making a password now. Please make a password. So let's do it. Input time password. Please make a password, and we'll write over here input type equals to password. So the name, what's the name? Name is equal to password. Okay, name is password. Size, what about the size? Size is 10. So let's write over here. Looks pretty good. Now let's check. Please make a password. I don't know. Let's make this and this. Let's add some spacing over here. Please make a password. And you can write CDI. Let's write. So right now I have written any random password. But yeah, now next thing is next. Let's do a drop down list. So we have done password. Now what's a drop down list? This drop down list, it displays like a list of these options, and the person can select an option. So yeah, the option tag is attached as well. So now let's do that on HTML. First things first, we'll add some BR tags before the password, I think. Yeah, let's make it before the password because it'll look better. Because password, yeah. Let's write select and the select name. The name I think I will put as cities you visited. So now let's put the cities you visited, and let's close this. And we'll also put it as an option value. Let's put some option values because you need to put an option value to do it. So the option values are number one. Number one is let's put Mumbai. So Mumbai, and let's put over here as well Mumbai. Let's put another option value. This time we will put Delhi. So the value is Delhi. And third things third, let's put over here Surat. And we'll also put over here Kolkata, and this is Kolkata. So option value. So the option values also adds up to Kolkata. Next things next, we will also put it instead of Kolkata. Let's do Bangalore. Oh yeah, sorry, I spelled Bangalore wrong. Okay. So now we'll also I don't know, Chennai. So Chennai. I think we are doing pretty well now. Okay. So Mumbai. What's this? I think something's left. So we will also need to put /select because you need to make a password and everything else different. Let's write in here in H3, let's write which cities did you visit. So this looks pretty good now. Now we also need to add none. because some people haven't visited none of them. So let's write none. So which cities did you visit? Let's write over here which cities did you visit. Yeah, now it looks pretty good. You can choose as much as you want. So if you have gone to Delhi, Bangalore, yeah, that's done as well. Now there are two, a button and yeah. We'll also need to change it a bit. Instead of that, we will need name. We might need to write. Yeah, we'll put name, but we'll also need to put like instead of first name, let's put after this. Let's put choose a user name, and the value will be nothing. We'll also max length is of 12, and the name is user. Okay, let's see. Choose a username. Okay, choose a password. Okay, so yeah. So value, username, password. Yeah. Okay, this looks very good now. So now we will do the buttons. So okay, let's write over here input type equals to submit. So this input type is of submit, and the value is sent. So the value will be sent. Now let's copy this and paste it over here. Input type, reset, and the value is reset. So yeah, we will also need to put some BR tags. Okay, looks very good now. Okay, so now it's time to show you what we have done today. Okay, so we have made this today, everyone. What is this? Online survey. First name, Bryce. So if you want to change your name, let's write Bryce or anything Bryce 21 and Walker's 22. Which electronics you use? I don't use computer. I use my phone. I don't use tablet, and I use my laptop. So, which cities did you visit? Of course, I visited. This. I've only visited like Delhi. Yeah. Now, if you want to choose a username, Bryce Z 11, and let's make a password. Anything. So I've written Bryce HTML. Now, if you send it, yeah, and you can even, if I write anything over here, anything over here, anything over here, if you want to reset, everything resets. So thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.